You searched how to buy shares of Camurus AB, a Swedish biotech company focusing on therapeutics and advanced drug delivery. It trades on CBOE EU under the ticker CAMX.ST, and this explanation is educational only, not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID, and to add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CAMX.ST to find Camurus AB. Select the matching result to open the official asset listing on the exchange. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it is Camurus AB. Verify the ticker CAMX.ST and the CBOE EU listing to ensure it is the correct stock. Tap Investor Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market or limit order, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to open an account or learn more.